3 to our Japan Create box. This is a small video with DIY, and today we're gonna do this DIY,
which is magic foam jelly.
Magic foam jelly. I have actually heard of this one before. Never tried it. Have you?
No.
Okay, what does it say we need? Let's open it up. So it comes in like that. A little cup inside. And 2 mixtures, 1 and 2, one's blue, one's pink. And 1 little straw.
Empty pack 1 into a cup.
Pack 1 into a cup. All of it.
Yeah, I think so.
Well, we had a little bit of, oh great, it doesn't go off your pants. Just know that. Look at it, doesn't come off. What the hell is it made of? That's next. So you empty the pack into the cup.
Using the cap, pour in 2 caps full of water into the cup.
2 caps. 2.
Okay, then seal cup with cap and shake to mix.
Okay. Shake. Oh, Jesus, comes all out. Are you sure?
No, shake it vigorously. If you need to, use the straw to get rid of the powder. Oh.
Okay, what now?
Empty sachet 2
In there.
Yeah, and then shake again. Or pour 2 more capfuls of water.
Let's hope it doesn't go all over me. Number 2.
2 more capfuls of water.
2 more. Do I have to shake it now again?
Yes, with the lid on.
Was that supposed to be like that, Tanya? Just watch the magic happen. Magic happen. I'm gonna try it out. Are you ready?
What does it taste like?
Crap. It tastes horrible. Wanna try it?
No.
How much you give this one, Tanya?
A 10 because I like the bang.
I'll give it as a 10 as well. That was so fun. I don't think it's supposed to be like that, though.
Just say, watch the magic happen.
I'm scared to do anything with it. Look at it, it's just standing there. It's like, yeah.
I didn't expect it to go bang. You shook it a bit too much.
So that just happened. We had a big explosion in my house.
It was like Harry Potter.
It was magical. It's like when we tried to do a magic trick and
Yeah,
we failed. Now we have something to clean up. But it was fun. We give it a 10 out of 10. Because it was fun.
Yeah.
For us adults, it was fun.
Yeah.
Don't do it without your parents if
like
you're under 18.
It was like a science experiment at school.
I don't know where we went wrong. We did everything what the package said, so just exploded for no reason.
I will state it did say watch the magic happened.
Alright, so this is the end of part 3 and the end of Japan Create box. I enjoyed this box, how about you?
I enjoyed it also.
Well, I hope you enjoyed all these 3 videos, or at least you enjoyed the DIY video if you watched only this one. And I hope to see you in my next video. Check out Tanya. Bye.
Bye.